It's really a good news for the Indian film industry that the Oscar Academy president, Mr. John Bailey, and his wife, Academy Governor Carol Littleton, both are coming to India for a 4-day visit. This is their first visit in the history of 90 years. So this is really an important event for Indian film industry because this will definitely help in creating a new relationship between the academy and Indian film industry. They are coming for a 4-day visit. They will be arriving on 25th of May at Mumbai. On the same day, they will have a brief interaction with the on the same day they will have an interaction with the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Sri Devendraji Fadnavis. This particular invitation for them has been given by Maharashtra government, particularly for the 56th annual Marathi Film Awards annual function happening on 26th of May, Sunday, at 7 p.m. evening at National Sports Complex. How all this started? I mean, I am connected with the Hollywood for almost last 25 years, but I became Academy member in 2017. And when I became an Academy member, I was the first to join the Academy from India in the category Members at Large, which is the technical category for membership. I was in touch with the Academy and I wanted that my introduction to the Academy should be used for increasing the relationship between India and the Academy. So in the first instance, I met the Academy CEO in April 2018 and we discussed for more than 1 hour about what we can do between the Academy and India. So the visit of top people from Academy to India was on the cards. And I was definitely expecting the president to come to India, but it was not easy to do that. So I met the Academy president at 2-3 different occasions. The first meeting was in 2007. The first meeting was in 2017 when I was inducted as an Academy member. So we had a chance to interact with the Academy president. Then again, this year, I was invited for the red carpet at the Oscar Awards on 24th of February 2019. That day also I met the Academy president and it is really a good gesture from the Academy president that he called me at his house for a breakfast the next day. So on 25th February, I went to his house. We had almost 1.5 hour discussion between what we can do between the Academy and Indian film industry. Although I was able to explain him many things about the industry, I told him that unless you visit India, you will really not know what is the industry size is and how the people are and how diverse we are in terms of different languages. The movie industry is not only Hindi movie industry, but it is a big regional industry in India. And unless you come to India, you will not experience it. That time he asked me, how much time do you need to plan my visit? I say, give me 30 days and I will plan your visit. That's how the very beginning of this visit started on 25th of February 2019. And while I was in US, immediately I contacted the Chief Secretary of Chief Minister, Mr. Bhushan Gagrani on WhatsApp, and I told him that this is possible. He immediately responded to me on WhatsApp, let us meet when you come back to India. The very first day when I landed in Mumbai, at 10 o'clock in the morning, we had a meeting at Chief Minister's office with Mr. Bhushan Gagrani. He was very much excited and he said, we have an award function coming up. We have an award function coming up on 26 May, so let us invite him for that. And all this procedural work started. The Maharashtra government sent him an invitation and he immediately accepted it and we started planning on the visit. The visit was not supposed to be only Mumbai because he wanted to visit Taj Mahal also. So he told me that whenever I am coming there, you put on the itinerary Taj Mahal. So from Mumbai, we have 2 days visit in Mumbai On the very first day, he's coming in the morning and he need to take some rest because it's almost 24 hours flying from US. And the same evening, he will have an interaction with the Chief Minister. And in the night, we will have a dinner planned by the Indian Film Fraternity in the honor of the academic president. Next day morning, he and his wife Carol Littleton, is academy governor and also a film editor. And she had done films like E.T. and many, many big films. She also got nominated for Oscar Awards. And Mr. John Bailey is a very well-known cinematographer. He has got Lifetime Achievement Award from American Society of Cinematographer. And just 2 days before, on 19th of Feb, he was felicitated at the Cannes Film Festival. So from Cannes, he's going back to Los Angeles. He's already back yesterday, and he will start for India from 23rd evening, and he will land in Mumbai on 25th morning. So after the 25th event, dinner event, the next day we have planned a workshop. It is an interesting workshop because John and his wife Carol will do it together. John will talk about cinematography, his wife will talk about editing, and this is going to be a unique workshop because the same scene, how we can achieve the interaction between the film and editing will be shown. So this is a unique workshop, and we have almost invited the celebrity cinematographers from India, the student of film schools, and I hope that everybody is going to benefit from both John and Carol's workshop. So he will be showing some film clips and also talking about how it was shot, and Carol will be talking about how film clips are edited. After that, in the afternoon, he is visiting the National Museum of Indian Cinema at Pedder Road, which is a part of the Films Division. And after visiting the museum, he will also have interaction with the film students. This interaction has been organized by Government of Maharashtra, Education Minister Sri Vinodji Tawde. Vinodji Tawde is both Education Minister and Cultural Minister, so he is involved with both part of this. This entire program in Mumbai, majority part of it is planned by Government of Maharashtra, and then just one dinner and this workshop is planned separately for the industry people. Next day on 26th, he will have a lunch which is organized by Government of Maharashtra at JW Marriott. Then student interaction in the evening, and he will attend the 56th annual Marathi Film Award program organized by Government of Maharashtra at National Sports Complex, Worli, on the same evening, 26th evening at 7 p.m. He will attend the program, and I think you can't get a chief guest like John Bailey for any program in India. So definitely we people in Mumbai are lucky to see him as a chief guest. In the same evening, he will take rest. Next day, we will be traveling to Agra, where he wants to see the Taj Mahal. And on 28th, we have planned programs with the INB Ministry in Delhi. He will have interaction with the INB Ministry officials and the government ministers. Also, there will be a program planned by Directorate of Film Festivals at Siri Fort Auditorium in New Delhi. Then again there will be some kind of interaction with people over there from the film industry or the television industry, and a dinner organized by FICCI in the evening in honor of the Academy President. So this is the 4-day visit. On 28th evening he will fly back to Los Angeles from Delhi. Definitely we are looking forward for this kind of visit, and this visit I hope will definitely increase the relationship between the Indian film industry and the academy. I was with the film industry for 36 years in India, But my first interaction with Academy started in 2013 when we completed 100 years of Indian cinema. Uh, we have invited a 5-member team from the Academy, and this was Academy's first official visit to India, Academy team's first official visit to India. And I have organized it totally that time. I received them at Delhi, then took them to INB ministry, we showed them the Taj Mahal, and then we brought them to Mumbai. And that time the Mumbai International Film Festival, MAMI, was happening, so they also took part in MAMI, and they went back to Los Angeles from Mumbai. And this was very successful, and definitely that is the time the Academy also understood that I am capable of handling their visit. Then I was inducted into the Academy. I was invited to become a member in 2017 June. So that was my first official entry into the Academy. 2017 September, I was invited for the members reception, new member reception, and that was my first interaction with the Academy President John Bailey. And when I was talking to him, I always thought that he should come to India, the highest authority of the Academy. If they come to India, the relationship definitely are going to improve. So I was trying to chase that from that day onwards, 2017. I had another meeting with him whenever I was going to LA. I was going to the Academy office and trying to develop relationship. So I met also the Academy CEO, Don Hudson, and also thought of working on the same India visit. And I was really lucky that this time I was invited for the Oscars on the red carpet. So on 24th Feb 2019, on Sunday, I met again John and Carol at the Oscars ceremony, just before the ceremony, and we talked about this again. And he was so impressed, so he called me for a breakfast next day. He said, let us chat a little more, when we can discuss it a little more. Next day, I went to his house. We talked to him. I talked to him for almost 1.5 hours. And we discussed about many things about India, about how Indian films can be showcased into US, and he was also feeling that definitely India is a big film industry and we must visit, and that is how it started. He asked me, how much time do you need to plan the visit? I say, you give me 30 days and definitely we can plan it. And that's how it happened. Then I came, already I recorded about
Now
the
I
Bhushan.
want to know, sir, how do you think this visit is going to change the relationship between Indian film industry and Hollywood? How will it impact us?
Yeah, first of all, many outside India, they don't know about the real part of our industry, because our industry is not only Hindi or Bollywood, so-called what we call. It's also made up of regional cinemas from various states. So this is a big industry. I think this is one of the unique industries where films are made in more than 20 languages. I mean, no other country can match this. So to understand this industry, they have to visit India, they have to talk to the people, they have to understand the filmmakers, and not only the experienced filmmaker, but also the young generation of students who are coming up in this industry. So then they will know about what's Indian film industry.
So, who among the Indian actors does Mr. John Bailey actually know about?
That is very difficult to answer at the moment. I mean, because we can't take. Definitely, the people who are selected as a member, he knows them, right?
Just
From
give me a
Amitabh
few
Bachchan,
names.
right? From, I mean, when the members are inducted.
So no, just give me names. Just give me a few random names. Whatever you
Yeah.
think are the members.
No, Amitabh Bachchan, right from Amitabh Bachchan, Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Priyanka Chopra, Aishwarya Rai, Deepika Padukone, all of them are, Salman Khan, all of them are now Academy members, and definitely he is aware of them.
And will all these people also be part of the reception that we are having for it?
Yeah, I will tell you, whenever an Academy event happens in any particular country, all the Academy members from the country are invited, and all these invitations are not sent by us from India. These are sent by the Hollywood's Academy office. So all the members have been informed about the programs in Mumbai and Delhi at least 1 week in advance, so they can plan that. And the actual invitations also go Actual invitations to the academy members also go from the academy's email. And these emails or all these things are very secret. They don't tell you who are the people, how many members, and that's information which is not divulged to anybody. So if I have to send that invitation, I just send one mail to them, and they take care of the sending it to all the members.